Question number 5 is asking us to solve the sums using the different properties which we have already learned. Question number A, 26 multiplied by minus 48 plus minus 48 plus multiplied by minus 36. As you can see very clearly in this question that minus 48 is the common number. So we have taken out the minus 48 as a common and the remaining integers we have written in the square bracket. Now the question will come that which sign will come in between these two numbers. So the sign which is there in the main two brackets will come over here. So 26 plus minus 36 is minus 10 and minus 48. So minus 48 multiplied by minus 10 is plus 480. Coming at the question number 6. It is telling us that the present room temperature was 40 degree and it was decreasing 5 degree every hour, and we have to find out what will be the temperature after 10 hours. So in order to find out the temperature after 10 hours, we will do first of all the multiplication of 10 with minus 5. Why we have taken minus? Because it is telling that the temperature is getting decreased. That's why we have taken the negative number. So 10 into minus 5 is minus 50. It will be separated by the present room temperature, that is the 40 degrees Celsius. So the answer will be minus 10 degrees Celsius. Coming at the question number 7, it is said that a class test is conducted in which there are 10 questions and 5 marks was given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks were given for every incorrect answer and 0 marks are given for not attending the question. Now the Mohan has scored 4 correct answer and 6 incorrect answer, and we have to find out his score. Now 4 plus 6 is 10, so he has attempted all the questions. Coming at the solution, as he had scored 4 correct answers, so we will multiply 4 with the 5. The answer will be 20. Now he has got 6 incorrect answers, so 6 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 12. Now we have to find out the total score, so we have to put the plus sign in between. Now 20 minus 12. Now from where minus has come? Because 6 into minus 2 is minus 12. So answer is 8. It means he has scored 8 marks in the class test. Coming at the question number 8, it is said that a cement company will earn profit of rupees 8 when it will sell the white bags of cement, and it will get a loss of rupees 5 when it will sell the grey bags of the cement. Now the question is asking, if the company is selling 3000 bags of the white bags and 5000 bags of the grey cement, then what will he earn, profit or loss? So 3000 bags of the white cement, so 3000 multiplied by 8 is 24,000, and 5000 bags of grey cement, so 5000 multiplied by 5 is 25,000. Now you can see that 25,000 is a greater number. Clear? Now in order to find out whether he has earned profit or loss, you can see very clearly that the profit amount is less and the loss amount is more. So we have to find out the total loss. So total loss formula is loss minus profit. 25,000 minus 24,000 is rupees 1000 he has lost while selling the grey bags. In the question number 9, it is asked us to fill the blank. It is very easy. Now the one integer is given and the answer is given. We have to just fill in the blank that what integer will come over here to get this answer. So looking at the A, minus 3 multiplied by minus 9 we will do in order to get the positive answer. Clear? So this was the explanation of exercise 1.3. The PDF